Good morning, everyone. So do you think you can plant a garden on top of your shed? Let's see how that works. I'm already growing peppers here, kale, and I'm also going to plant some tomatoes and other veggies. Come and see. So this is a tree house I built for my kids, and there used to be a monkey bar here, and now it's just Oreo and myself. Oreo is playing with her chew toy. So here's the tree house. I'll show you some videos later on to see how the kids used it when the monkey bar was here on the swing. So for now, let's go and see what's on top of the shed and see how my garden is doing. So these are the peppers and some kale I planted on top of the shed. You can see some of my garden here, some of the lettuce and salads, flowers on the top. On the other side, pulled out the weeds, so I still have to clean this up, and I have to see what I'm planting here. So I think gardening is one of the most important skills you could learn today. Teach it to your kids. I've been gardening for over 50 years, and I would love to share my experience with you. I think everyone should grow something in their house or in their window, anywhere you have some space. And let me show you my garden a bit closer, and let's continue the video. Here's Oreo, my main helper, with her toy, and let's see if she's going to help me garden. Oreo, buddy, are you going to help me garden or no? Like what's going to happen? You're going to help me with the garden? Of course you are. Let me show you some of the flowers. Just walking by them. This is on top of the fence. And I just planted some flowers. You can see probably my veggies on that side. Some of my veggies. And let me show you another patch of my garden. So here is some of my romaine lettuce, red leaf, arugula, kale, more lettuce here, and the onions are coming out, and I have more veggies at the end. So that's just another patch of my garden, and let's see what else I have. Let me show you this plant against the sky. It's beautiful outside. So I planted this about a month ago, and it had only water and nothing else in a window, and this is what happened. So this is ready for harvest. Can you guess what this plant is? In the comments down below, just guess what the plant is. So thank you for watching this introductory video for now. Please like and subscribe, and let me know what you would like to see in the next gardening video.